Hi guys, so I found this gem and I'm at home and so I'm really fucking bored because of quarantine. So I decided to edit this vlog that I tried to film, but we end up going to a club. This is like the pre-club dinner slash celebrating New Year's. So half of this vlog is me and my friends getting drunk. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this vlog, make sure to subscribe down below. I'm going to be posting more videos during quarantine, and just FYI, cringe alert, it's going to be pretty cringe. So yeah, thank you.
안전하게 뒷방이에요.
Hello, we're in the Coventry Uni now. We're in Shangsha.
So basically we went to their uni because there was a Chinese event going on for Chinese New Year's.
Okay, so we're now in the supermarket buying food for the dinner. I don't know what we're eating, so he's gonna tell you what we're eating.
We're gonna eat some Chinese traditional food. Like dumplings. Wait, it's not only Chinese, we're only doing tteokbokki as well.
Okay.
And we got 口水鸡,
Okay.
fried udon.
Say it in Chinese, I'll translate it later.
Okay, 麻婆豆腐, 汤圆, miso salmon, and Japanese cheesecake. Yeah, that's it.
谁做 Japanese cheesecake? 我们要做啊。
Yeah, we're gonna make it. With
Okay.
mainly guang. Where's guang? Show our Korean brother.
So red, why?
So I decided to play a prank in the supermarket, but it was an absolute fail. Basically, I said his zipper was open, but he like ignored me completely.
We're at a Korean supermarket now.
So I had to cut the music because I'm not trying to get copyrighted here, but here we have Jungwoo and my brother whisking the eggs for the cheesecake. It took a long time, but it worked.
Do you love me? Are you riding?
Here we have Katerina like making food. I low-key felt useless because I was just filming her, but yeah. Here I just have a time lapse of what kind of went on in the kitchen. It took a long time, but it was really good. This was the final product. We had everything ready, but lots of people didn't arrive, so it was kind of messy.
You need to Bro, I'm so hungry. Bro, I'm so hungry.
Hello, what's your name? What's your name?
Jeff.
My name is Jeff. What is your name? Oppa, Oppa ne? Hello. What is your name? What is your name? I don't know. You don't know? Are you fucking drunk? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Come on. What is What is your name? What is your name? Leon. What is your name? David. Hello, handsome. What is your name?
What's up?
这是光武，我是吴寡，吴寡，你是不是最有钱的中国人？小钱，给我钱，给我钱。
Are you good? Are you good?
Hello, what's your name? What's your name? 给小姐姐给一点爱心，爱心，爱心，爱心。